Did you know that the hardest mercy to give is the kind that costs you something real? Maria spent 3 years fighting to stay in the country she called home. Her neighbor Rosa had reported her to immigration authorities over a parking dispute. 3 years of lawyers, fear, sleepless nights, and shame she never deserved. Eventually she was cleared, but she never forgot. Then one morning Rosa knocked on her door, shaking, crying, facing deportation herself, and Maria was the only person in the building with the right contacts and the right paperwork to help her. Maria stood at her door in silence for a long time. She thought about those 3 years. She thought about her children watching her suffer. Then she thought about who she wanted to be when this moment was over. She helped Rosa, not because Rosa deserved it, not because it was easy, but because Maria understood that forgiveness is not a feeling, it is a decision, and that decision changed everything in that building. Trust God's process. Your greatest test often arrives wearing the face of the person who hurt you most.